What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We making tuna today. Tuna sliders, to be exact. And guess what? We gonna have some bacon on them, some cheese. They're gonna be so tasty, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, let's get it.
And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty.
So of course, we're gonna start off by putting our 3 eggs in our water. And we gonna get that water to boiling, y'all. And while that's doing this thing, let's go ahead and get our bacon on so we can get to frying. Oh yeah, y'all. You gotta love you some bacon. At least I do. Love me some bacon. But anyway, while we got our bacon frying, we're gonna go ahead and turn our attention to our tuna. We're gonna add in a tablespoon of pickle relish, a quarter cup of mayo. And while you're doing that, don't forget about that bacon, y'all. Yeah, just get that straight. Get it ready to go, y'all. Get it ready to go. Let's go and give it a flippy flip right quick so we can go and finish our tuna, because our eggs are done boiling. And we can get this tuna on in now, y'all. We can get it in. Now turning our attention back to our tuna, we're gonna add in a half of a small onion, add in our 3 eggs, and then let's go ahead and give that a quick whip right quick. So yeah, y'all, when I make my tuna, I like to give mine a quick whip before I add in the rest of my ingredients. After I get my mayo in, make sure it's mixed in well. But to this, we're gonna go ahead and add in a tablespoon of whole grain mustard, or you can use any kind of mustard that you like. Now I'm hooked on that whole grain meat, y'all. I can't use any other kind. We're gonna give that a quick mix, and then we're gonna go ahead and rain on it, put it with some salt and some Tony Chacho. A little garlic powder and a hit of white vinegar, y'all. We're gonna mix this up, whip it up real good, and that's our tuna, y'all. That's our tuna. And as you can see, our bacon is done, so let's get it on off. Now I always cook my bacon slow, fry it up slow. You keep it nice, long, and crispy and flat. Just a little tip, y'all. So let's get our buns on. So yeah, we just gonna toast these up right quick. Get them toasty. As soon as one side get toasted, we're gonna go ahead and give that a flip. Now it's time to come in with a layer of that Swiss cheese, y'all. Now I use 2 slices on mine. Gonna be nice and cheesy. Then we're gonna come in with our tuna. Spread our tuna all around. Oh yeah, it's coming together good, y'all. It's gonna be good and tasty. Good and tasty. So as soon as that bottom of that bun get toasted, we gonna get it off that griddle. And yeah, y'all, it's time to get this right. So let's go ahead, put some crumble up bacon on top. Don't that bacon look good on there? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Get that top bun on. And check out these sandwiches, y'all. Don't they look good? Now I had mine with some tater tots. Let me pop one of these bad boys. Now I put these in the air fryer. Air fry them right quick. And let's taste our tuna. So tasty, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.